Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and in today's video, we're gonna find out all the differences between the three different Optimum No Rinses on this table. So the first product we have is Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine, or blue ONR. This is the staple, the flagship, the king of the castle, so to speak. Then you've got Optimum No Rinse Wash and Wax. This was the little brother of Wash and Shine, and we also call it the green ONR. Now, the newest, youngest, most vibrant, most crazy, most wild version of Optimum No Rinse is Opticote No Rinse, or the yellow ONR, as we like to say. Now, all three of these products share a baseline chemistry for the rinseless dilution. They all have the same dilution ratio, which is that 256:1, and they each will clean your car effortlessly and easily. However, the blue ONR will do all the things all the time. That means you can use it as a glass cleaner, you can use it for interior plastics and vinyl and leather. It's safe on all interior surfaces. You can even use it to clean your headliners and fabrics, whether you put it in a spray bottle and a brush, or put it in your extractor, or put it in your steamer. You can do all those things. It's also able to obviously wash a car, but also be able to be used as a clay lube in the cleaning process. So ONR does all the things wonderfully well. Now, the green ONR, Wash and Wax, is literally what it says. It's an old school style wash and wax, meaning it's gonna leave some of that great carnauba protection on the surface of your vehicle. And because it's from Optimum, it holds a patent on the UV protection within the carnauba. What I like to use it for is actually on really dusty vinyl and plastic interiors like a work truck. I find that this is not only able to encapsulate that dust and dirt, but it's also able to leave a fine layer of protection on the surface with a little bit of UV protection to keep that interior looking its best. You can use this as a glass cleaner, but note that you are gonna have to use another towel to kind of remove any of the leftover streaking or leftover wax that's on the surface. However, on the outside, you'll get a great finish and a great shine and some really nice gloss. Now, the final member of the group is the Opticote No Rinse, and basically it is perfect for exteriors, especially on coated vehicles, because it provides ceramic protection to that surface. So when you're washing, you're leaving behind more protection. It's also incredibly slick compared to the other two variations. So if you like things a little slippery, you're gonna wanna go for Opticote No Rinse. Now, for interior use, I don't really recommend it. I don't recommend it to clean your interior, and I don't recommend it to use on your glass. However, because it is part of the Opticote line, it can be used there. The one thing it can't be used on, please do not use it in your shampooer or your steamer. So in a nutshell, that's really the difference. All of them can be used on the outside. All of them can technically be used on the inside. Realistically, only the blue ONR can be used in your steamer and your shampooer, but the green and yellow, I don't really recommend doing that. You might damage your systems. However, you can use them in a pinch to wipe down interior panels and plastics, leather, anything in which you want to leave a light layer of protection, but you need some decent cleaning power, and you don't want to bust out every single tool and every single chemical that you have. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos right here at the Rag Company YouTube channel.